Hey guys, Ben here from Ben Plays Mcpe and welcome back to another video of Minecraft Pocket Edition, where today I'm alone again. Yeah, alone. So, yeah, it's New Year. This is the first day of New Year, 1st January. It's 1st January. Well, when this thing is going to be uploaded, it's not going to be 1st January. I know it. I just know it. And you might be thinking, what is the thing hiding behind my screen on the right side over there? Well, ha ha ha. Well, I changed MCP master to X mode. Yeah. You can do stuffs in this too. And teleport. Oh my god. I did not add any teleport. Oh no, my clay biome is in MCPE master. Well, I don't need clay now. Let's so yeah, that's enough. So what I want to do now, this is a New Year special video, and what I want to do now is build a firework launcher. Oh yeah, that's right, NMCPE, a firework launcher. What the hell is this? Let's put it back there. So we are going to build a firework launcher today, and for that we need loads and loads of obsidian. Yes, we do. Let's quickly change it to day. There we go. Then we are going to be going into a cave in the search of obsidian. I will be right back. Just a sec, guys. I think we need loads. 15 plus obsidian. Ah man. So just a sec, guys. I'll meet you down in a cave. Yeah. Where am I going? What is? Okay. Huh? What is this? Oh. So yeah, I'll meet you in just a second. Yeah. So I actually found some obsidian right down here, not too far from the surface. It's gonna take forever to mine. But my pickaxe has efficiency 4. Oh yeah. So it's much more easier to mine with it. I think I lost my fortune pick. I think. Oh, some down here as well. Okay, I can't see anything. Let's put a torch up there and there. So, yeah, now I can at least see something. Ooh, look at that. I put a torch in the water. Not in the water, actually. Whatever. So I got 28 obsidian. Oh my god. I think I need some more. I don't know how much I need, but let's go with it. Let's see if it's enough or not. My can't even speak. My depth strider boots are awesome. Oh, great. I fell down all because of you, pig. All because of you. What are you doing down here? What are you doing down here? Okay, he ran off. He ran off. How do I get up there? How do I get up there? From here, I guess. No lighting at all. Why? Why? Hi, cow. Hey, 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 hey. Man. So, yeah, where do we build it? Where do we build it? It's gonna need TNT too. I have some obsidian with me. And some from that thing over there. I think it's over here. There it is. There it is. Come to me, obsidian. I reactivated this portal because there were pigmen coming out of it to the real world, to the real Minecraft world, or the Minecraft world out of the nether. So I shut down this portal for good. I'll fill that out later. Got 42 obsidian now. I think I have some in my chest too. So, where are we gonna build it? Where are we gonna build it? Let's build it here. Yeah, here is nice. 4. You need to do it 4. You need to place 4 blocks first, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Then you need to go 5 high, but before that I want to do something. Wow, why did I come down like this? Whatever, I don't care how it if I'm messing it up. just want to do it. So now this this is not going to be enough, is it? Firework launcher. Oh man. So 1 2 3 4 5. Yep, we need more. I think I have some. Please be there. Please. I want the old version of Minecraft back. So that when you destroy another portal. No. Not when you destroy. When you make another portal and the one spawns. There. Did they fix it or does it still work? I have 21 obsidian, guys. I did not know that. Who knew that would come in handy someday? Oh my god. Oh my god. How did I get 21 obsidian? Oh, by mining all those nether portals which spawned in the 0.13.0 update. And it's done. I have another idea. There's a thing called item multiplier in this mod. Item multiplier. I don't want to waste my time. Item multiplier. Let's try it. Shall we? Throw this obsidian down. We got 64 obsidian, guys. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Now. It was my obsidian. Yeah, I'm not cheating. It was my obsidian. I just multiplied it. I found the obsidian. I just multiplied it. Yeah. Don't judge me. Now. I need to make a staircase here. And 38 obsidian left. Yeah. Need loads of redstone for this. Loads of redstone for this. Got 25. I don't know if that's gonna be enough. See if we have some more. Yes, we got another 25. And that's it. So we need a lever as well. So we got so much work to do. Not so much actually. Yeah, we need TNT as well. Well, we need gunpowder for that. I think I have some gunpowder with me. Yeah, I think I have some gunpowder with me. This better work. This better work. Okay, I'm out of redstone. There you are. Okay, if this thing runs out, you guys know there is no time to get more redstone. So I just have to multiply it. After all, it is my redstone after all. Yeah, I'm not cheating. I'm not hacking it. It is my redstone. It is my redstone. I just multiplied it. There we go. Now after doing that, you should do like this. You can add any block you want. I'll just add a cobblestone block there. Like a lever. Put it down there. Let's see if yep, it works. Now for the TNT time. New Year special. New Year special. I think I locked the day. Let's unlock the time. And yeah, I need gunpowder. You need 8 TNT in total. So I need sand for that. Oh, luckily I have some. Got some gunpowder. And more gunpowder. Let's see. Let's make 8 TNT. Ah, man. 3. Need more sand. Need more sand and more gunpowder. You know how we get gunpowders? By killing creepers. Yes. Yes, we do. I hate creepers. I'm just destroying the terrain here, which does not look good at all. Get out! Why am I sneaking? So, got plenty of sand over here. Yeah, I have to do it before nighttime. I have to do it in nighttime actually. You need potion of enchanting to do the real thing. Yeah, bottle of enchanting. Generally it adds a sparkly effects. So I got 3 TNT. Need 5 more I guess. Need 5 more. Oh man, a lot of gunpowder. Heh. Please don't get mad at me. Please, we don't have time to kill creepers and stuff. That's the reason I'm doing this. Please don't get mad at me. Please, 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 please. Ooh, we got. Oh, that was just enough for it. For AT&T. Let's put that in there. And actually make a staircase. Or can just fly in there. You can just jump in there. No, I can't. No, I can't. I don't wanna jump. Just fly. Sorry guys, this is the only way you can get in. And you can only get bottle of enchanting in creative mode. I want it now. Let's sacrifice something. You. Get down there. You actually put bottle of enchanting there, not these stuff. Just putting them. Get destroyed. Get wrecked. Now, is it gonna be nighttime soon? Where are you, son? Oh, there you are. Actually, let's make it nighttime right now. So, are you guys ready for this? New Year special. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. New Year special. Bam. That was a firework. Need more TNT now. I better get back. Oh my god, I just got scared. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was a jump scare. That was a jump scare. I really hate these zombies now. That was really bad. I'm really scared of these zombies. I don't know why. I don't know why. Why am I scared of these zombies? I'm gonna burn you. The sunlight is gonna burn you. I'm gonna make it today. Ha! What will you do now, zombos? Zombies, skeletons too. Hey! You cheater! You cheater! How dare you take shade under it? Come, follow me. Fight me. Come after me. After me. Ow! That's it. I'm gonna burn you, mister. Get out! Yeah! Ah. Ha ha ha! LOL. I like seeing you burn. So that was the firework, guys. Need more TNT to do it. Need more TNT. So yeah, that is how you make the firework in this thing. Yeah. So that was pretty much it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy, then please do smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos by me, then please do smash that subscribe button as well. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Ben out. But before you leave, there is no name for this laboratory. What should I name it? Like Ben's Pocket Lab or whatever name you like. Just leave it in the comments below. And most important of all, don't get mad at me cause I just duplicated it. It was mine. I just duplicated it. I did not just hack my inventory. No, I did not. That was mine and I duplicated it. Yeah, that's what I want to say. So it's still grass in here. And who left the lights on? Where is hey, where did the lights go which I put here? No, did I put any light there? A redstone lamp? I don't know. So yeah. Bye-bye.
Make the ground shake.